Imagine waking up tomorrow and the news says, global financial collapse. Your retirement is gone. Your savings, worthless. The safest investments, now the most dangerous. Sounds dramatic? It's not. The CEO of JP Morgan Chase, Jamie Dimon, just said, you're going to see a crack in the bond market. It's going to happen, and you're going to panic. This isn't just some random guy with a microphone. He manages $4 trillion in assets and is known for calm, calculated insight, not fear-mongering. But here's what makes it worse. Japan, the world's savings vault, saw their government bonds lose 45% of their value in 5 years, and they're supposed to be the stable ones. This is the story of a $100 trillion house of cards we built, and why it's on the edge of collapse. Let me take you back to 2008. The world almost ended financially. Governments saved it by printing money and borrowing more. The problem? We never stopped. Instead of cutting back, we acted like a broke guy maxing out a new credit card just to keep the lights on. That broke guy is our global economy, and now the bills are due. We've been conditioned to think debt is normal. In fact, in the past 110 years, the US has only reduced total debt 5 times, 3 during the Great Depression, twice during the 2008 crash. Every other year we've borrowed more, every single year. We now owe over $36 trillion. Just the interest is more than what we spend on the military, and we're borrowing money to pay the interest on money we already borrowed. It's financial insanity, like filling one hole by digging another. And don't forget the baby boomers. 10,000 retire every day. They expect Social Security and Medicare, but the trust fund? Already spent. The math doesn't work. It's not politics. It's not ideology. It's simple arithmetic. And the numbers are terrifying. Japan is already cracking. Their bonds collapsed. Their insurers are bleeding. And if the world's most disciplined economy can't handle their debt, what makes you think the US can? When the bond market collapses, the whole system goes with it. Pensions, banks, even national stability. Bonds are the foundation. Crack the foundation, everything falls. We've been here once before, after World War II. Back then, we printed money, lowered interest rates, and let inflation slowly eat the debt. It worked, but only because we had a booming young population and no inflation crisis. Today, inflation is already high, rates are already low, and our population is aging fast. We can't play that card again. Economists call this a debt spiral. Borrowing causes panic. Panic drives up interest. Higher interest means we borrow more. Repeat until collapse. So what's the plan? Personally, I split my investments into 4 survival strategies. If the system holds, I own US stocks through ETFs like BTI. If they print money, I hedge with Bitcoin. If everything crashes but resets, I hold real estate. And if I'm dead wrong, I keep cash for opportunities. Each gets 25%, no single bet, just a diversified defense against chaos. Because this isn't fear, it's preparation. You're part of this story. You're not watching from the outside. When the debt bomb goes off, will you be the victim or the survivor? If this opened your eyes, share it with someone you care about. And if you free bonus, click the first link in the description below. Hit like, subscribe, and remember, this isn't financial advice, this is financial education. Always do your own research. And one last thing, the best time to fix the roof is while the sun is still shining.